Hearts Tapastry, A Mother's Journey of Faith and Sunnah. A quaint village nestled between rolling hills lived Khadija, a devoted Muslim mother with 3 sons. Determined to instill the sunnah of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in their lives, she embarked on a unique journey of upbringing. Khadija, known for her discipline and unwavering faith, envisioned her home as a haven filled with values, morals, and Islamic teachings. Every morning, the melodious call to prayer echoed through the village as Khadija led her sons in Fajr, setting the tone for the day. To make their upbringing distinctive, Khadija introduced a creative approach. She crafted a sunnah jar, encouraging her sons to perform acts of kindness and emulate the Prophet's actions. Each evening, they eagerly shared their deeds, fostering a sense of compassion and empathy. The village witnessed a transformation as Khadija's home became a center for learning and spirituality. She established a cozy corner for Quranic studies, where the brothers delved into the verses, guided by their mother's wisdom. Challenges arose when the village faced adversity, testing Khadija's resolve. Undeterred, she turned to Allah, seeking guidance in prayer and finding solace in the verses of the Quran. Her unwavering faith became a beacon, inspiring not only her sons, but the entire community. As the years passed, Khadija's sons grew into exemplary individuals, embodying the teachings of Islam. The village flourished with the spirit of unity and compassion, a testament to Khadija's dedication. In moments of reflection, Khadija marveled at the blessings bestowed upon her family. She realized that every challenge was an opportunity to strengthen their faith, and each hardship brought them closer to Allah. With tears of gratitude, she thanked the Almighty for guiding her through the journey of motherhood. Khadija's home, once a simple abode in the village, had become a beacon of light, radiating the essence of the Prophet's teachings. Through her unique approach and unwavering faith, Khadija not only raised exemplary sons, but also left an indelible mark on the hearts of those touched by